My name is John Vincent Roslinda, Section G2E-1. Archimedes Principle and its application in maritime transportation. What is Archimedes Principle? Archimedes' principle states a body wholly partially immersed in a fluid experience on upward buoyant force equal to the weight of the field it plays. In simple terms, ships float because they push water out of way, and water push back upward with an equal force. The first is why ships float. Even though ships are made heavy still, they float because their overall density, including the air inside. The second is application in cargo ship. Cargo ships are carefully loaded so displace enough water to support their total weight. The third is ballast water system. Ships are ballast tank and water stability when not fully loaded. This controls buoyancy and balance based Archimedes principle. The fourth is submarines. Submarines apply a criminal principle, filling ballast tank with water, increase destiny sink. The last fifth is ship design and safety. Naval Archimedes design whole ship